In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a link in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you had added any link, for instance, I had added a link on this image and I'd like to remove it. It is simple. Just head over to the slide that you added the link and then click on the text or the image that has the link and head over to this option, remove. If I hover or click on the image, you can see there is no link attached. So the same applies to text. For instance, I have a text here and this has a link and I like to remove it. To remove it, just click on the text and it will highlight the link and click on remove and the link will be gone. So that's how you can remove a link in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.